Lamsao websong haino hainalinai Government of Tripura ni Rural Development Department under ni notification nokri haikya 23 August 2024 notification kokha post tongo lower division clerk eba LDC grade post nokri haikya Tripura government ni buhakre Rural Development Department under ngai websong oja koita post nokro kanai de oja post nokroka post name of post lower division clerk eba LDC grade number of post nokroka 455 ta vacancies nokri haikya scale of pay tongnai 5007 ni simi 24000 tei grade pay tongnai 22 khlai manai eba 2200 taka tei abo level 7 jora soginai salary Tripura State Pay Matrix 2018 অনুসারে abo pay rijaknai gai websong corona di 5 number method of recruitment khlaijak abo 20% kakai abo promotion ni bagai nahajaknai tei 80% kai direct recruitment khlaijaknai 100% ni bisingo 80% direct recruitment khlaijaknai tei 20% kai promotion ni bagai o jaga vacancies nahajaknai age tongo age wngka ke o jaga 18 years ni simi 40 years jora rimanai jara ST SC PWD PH rok kai ba government ni chakri khlai tongnai rok hingke borok 5 years relaxation manai o jaga o qualification kai o jaga qualification oro maidin pass khaina o jaga online application khaimannai gai tei sajaka computer knowledge tongna nangnai hinui phiya certificate tongna nangnai hinui sajakya computer ni knowledge mana nangnai hinui sajak gai websong ro naidi tei desirable bengali ba kok borok mana nangnai tei o jaga o mark phainai examination ni bagui aro subject syllabus rijakha paper 1 English o hainai knowledge of Bengali ba English OMR based MCQ type examination nai 40 mark ni 2 hours khlai mannai tei job oriented question OMR based MCQ type nai boga 13 hainai aro total 2 hours khlai time mannai okay second tongo paper 2 hingke general knowledge and current affairs hainai o jaga o 100 mark ni phainai abo bahaina OMR based MCQ type no o jaga o phainai kuno sina nangya hingke tei interview tongnai ro 30 mark ni interview naharjaknai hingke websong jara naising tongnai rok norok abo dati no online application khlainani bagai notification chat koknai o sani pore o koknani chances tongo hingke naising tongnai dakti no phainai abo naising tongnai rok kaham kai preparation khai tongli abo phainai Rural Development Department under o ni abo talangjaknai lower division clerk eba LDC grade talangjaknai dakti no notification phainai online application khlainani bagai ke naising tongdai haino hai jotono no hambai।